To make this easy cocktail sauce, we're gonna start with a base of chili sauce. I know some people use ketchup, but I really like this chili sauce. I think it gives it a nice flavor. So we're going to use a whole bottle. Next, we're going to do 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, however you say it. Worcestershire, you know what I mean. So anyway, 1 tablespoon. This gives it a nice bit of saltiness. All right, and then finally, the key to this cocktail sauce, I think, we are going to be adding in a 1/4 cup of prepared horseradish sauce. Now, horseradish is a little bit spicy, so with this, you can add more or less depending on your taste. I like mine a little bit more on the spicy side, so sometimes I'll add a little bit extra. And then finally, we're gonna add a little bit of fresh lemon juice. So we're just gonna do some fresh lemon juice. Now we're just gonna give it a stir. And then you can eat it right away, but I do like to chill mine a little bit just so the flavors come together. So I will stick mine in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes.